Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Bergman, and I am going to read you an expository text called Bald Eagles. Now remember, expository means informational. So this text is going to give me information about bald eagles. Before I start reading this article, I'm going to use a strategy called preview the questions. It is important that we preview the questions before we read the article because the questions allow us to focus on the important facts in the article and helps us pay attention. So I'm going to take a look at the questions for bald eagles. The first thing I'm going to do is read the directions. Directions. Use the information from the story to answer the questions below. Write your answer with a complete sentence. Now remember, boys and girls, a complete sentence has a noun and a verb. It starts with a capital letter and an ending punctuation mark. So you can end it with a period, an exclamation mark, or a question mark. And we want to make sure to use commas when we would pause while we talk. It also says to underline or highlight the sentence where you found the information. Now, I am using a website called DocHub, and this is going to allow me to write in the boxes as well as highlight information on this article. I will link DocHub below if your parents would like to create an account, and then you can do this too. So I'm going to go through the questions. Number 1, how long can bald eagles live? Number 2, what do bald eagles eat? Number 3, what is a baby bald eagle called? A, an eagle-eye, B, an eaglet, C, a baby, or D, a tom? Number 4, about how many days does it take for a baby eagle to hatch? Is it A, 35 days, B, 3 days, C, 4 months, or D, too long? Number 5, list some reasons why the bald eagle population dropped. And number 6, write the definition of carry-on. Number 7, write the definition of majestic. So I am going to read this expository text, Bald Eagles, starting with the title. And I'm going to get my highlighter ready. So I'm going to click the highlighter right here. Bald eagles. The bald eagle is a bird of prey belonging to the fish and sea eagle group. Bald eagles are the only eagles that can only be found in North America. They are not actually bald. They were named bald eagles because of their white head. The word bald actually meant white-headed many years ago. Bald eagles are large birds. They can weigh up to 14 pounds and have a wingspan of 72 to 90 inches. They can live as long as 30 years. Now, I remember one of the questions were, how long do bald eagles live? So I am going to highlight that information. And as you can see now, it is highlighted. Now, I'm not going to highlight any more for you. I would actually like you to do the rest of the highlighting yourself. Get out a ruler and measure out the wingspan. Although bald eagles will accept an easy meal of carrion, they prefer to dine on fish. They can often be seen swooping down from the sky and grabbing fish out of the water with their talons. They prefer to live near large bodies of open water where they can easily locate fish. Bald eagles will also hunt mammals including rabbits, raccoons, beavers, and even deer fawns. Bald eagles are found throughout most of North America. They can be seen in the southern states and Mexico, all the way to Canada and Alaska. However, the largest number of bald eagles live in Alaska, Canada, and the Pacific Northwest. Find these areas on a map. Bald eagles like to build their nests in large, old-grown trees. These massive nests are usually built near a body of water. The nests have new leaves, twigs, and grasses added to them each year. Over time, the nests become very large. They may be as large as 12 feet deep, 10 feet across, and weigh up to 2,000 pounds. After a courtship of high-flying cartwheels, swoops, and free falls, the female bald eagle lays 1 to 3 eggs in the nest each spring. Both parents take care of the eggs. After 35 days, the chicks or eaglets break out of the eggs. The parents take turns hunting for food and feeding the babies. The young eagle is ready to leave the nest for good when it is about 13 weeks old. Despite being the emblem and national bird of the United States of America, the bald eagle has not always been well protected. Hunting, pollution, and loss of habitat brought the numbers of bald eagles in the United States to a dangerous low. New laws to stop the hunting of eagles and to cut pollution has allowed the bald eagle to bounce back. The next time you are in nature, look up in the sky. You might just see one of these majestic birds in flight. Now, if I go back to the questions, the first question was, how long can bald eagles live? And I want to show you how to fill in this question. Now, I already highlighted the answer, so I'm going to go back and look. I highlighted they can live as long as 30 years. So I'm going to go to the question, and I'm going to click this A box right here, and I'm going to create a box that will let me fill this in. Now remember, we need to write this in a complete sentence. So I'm going to make sure to capitalize the B in bald eagles. Bald eagles can live up to 30 years. And I can't forget that period. So boys and girls, I now challenge you to highlight the rest of the information where you find the answers to the rest of the questions and answer them on your own.